Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel viewers. In front of me OPPO A77, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 bad themes for this device. At the third place in my top is Niagara Launcher, so you can download it from the Play Store. And here we have really great alphabetical line to search any applications. If you want to search any app, just tap your finger on this line, swipe it to desired later. For example, if you want to find the Play Store, just swipe your finger to P button, and here you will see your Play Store, photos or other application that started with P. On the second place in my top is Smart Launcher 6. So you can download it completely for free from the Play Store too. It's free app, of course you can pay for Prime, but normal version is for free. So here we have on the left side of our home screens, here we have the news panel. In the main menu we have really handy apps grouping feature, so here we have groups. Of course you can create new groups for new folders for your apps, but your application will automatically switch into this group when you will download it. And here in the settings we have really great wallpapers gallery, so I think this is the best wallpapers gallery ever. So you can just choose the for example abstract, and here you have the gallery of abstract wallpapers. Here you have the gallery of photos wallpapers. Here you have the gallery of Valley wallpapers, and you can just reload this page. You can just reload this page so I don't know how to reload it, so sorry, maybe in this way. After reloading the wallpapers gallery, you will have new wallpapers in this menu. So I think it's really great wallpaper gallery app. So for example, find the app you want, find the wallpaper you want to set up, check where you want to use this wallpaper. If you want to use wallpaper 3D perspective like in all the iPhones, you can use it, but only using Pro version. Then click apply, and great, as you can see I have installed wallpaper. So great. But on the first place in my top is Microsoft Launcher. So Microsoft Launcher is greatest launcher and great theme for every device, because here you have a glance panel on the left side of our home screens. Here we can set up all our shortcuts and widgets. In this way you don't need to switch between thousands of home screens to find desired widgets. So you can set up all your favorite and neatest widgets here. Here we have news panel, and in the main menu we have hide apps feature, alphabetical line to quickly find any app, voice search for application, and of course we have gestures here. Gestures is a really killer feature of this launcher, because we can set up gestures. So just find gest, for example 2-finger swipe up. I want to open calculator when I swipe in up with 2 fingers, and swipe up and calculator was open. So it's really great launcher. If you want to set up, if you like one of this launcher, you need to set it up as home launcher. To do it, you just need to open home screen and lock screen. I'm so sorry, go back. You need to open apps and find default apps here, and here choose home app and choose, for example, Microsoft Launcher or Smart Launcher or Niagara Launcher. For example, if you will use Microsoft Launcher is your default launcher right now. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.